Over the weekend, Tana Mongeau took home Creator of the Year award at the 2019 Streamies. She said that receiving the award was the best moment of her life. But there was one creator everyone was hoping would win, and that creator is MrBeast. I'm gonna tell you why Tana won Creator of the Year and MrBeast didn't hear for you on IO. What's great? You're watching InformOverload. On this channel, we do the news and we make it entertaining. Subscribe! Follow us on Instagram. I'm Charlotte. Did I say that? The Streamy Awards took place last Friday night. If you don't know what they are, they're basically like the Oscars but for YouTubers. It's a huge deal for a YouTuber to win an award like Creator of the Year, and no one was more shocked to win Creator of the Year at the Streamies than Tana Mongeau. You could tell by the look on her face when she won that she wasn't expecting it. But after Tana's win, many MrBeast fans took to social media to express their distaste. Keemstar of Drama Alert being one of them. So Tana wins Creator of the Year for the Streamies. How? No offense, Tana, congrats, but what is the actual point of an awards show if the data doesn't back up the award? This should be based off sub growth and views. Clearly, without a doubt, MrBeast is Creator of the Year. Petermon also tweeted, MrBeast starts a project to plant 20,000 trees to help save the environment. Tana Mongeau has a failed MTV series and gets fake married and wins Creator of the Year. The Streamies are an absolute joke. He said it, not me. I'm just quoting him. Ethan Klein tweeted this and deleted it shortly afterward. Congratulations to Tana Mongeau for winning Creator of the Year. Thank you for being courageously yourself and a positive role model for young people everywhere. I love how he included the pictures of Tana photoshopping herself. He added, she won Streamy for Creator of the Year for those who are confused and well deserved. That one was a little bit mean, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it was a little mean. Like, damn, why you gotta include that screenshot, dude? Let her win. So MrBeast was one of the most viewed YouTubers on the platform, and he's famous for his charitable acts. He's literally the YouTuber that gives away all his money to make more money to give away. He's also making the world a better, greener place one tree at a time. If you're thinking about a YouTuber who has had the most positive impact, it's undoubtedly MrBeast. Like, obviously. But Tana Mongeau's Streamy win is justified, because more of Tana's fans voted for her than MrBeast fans voted for him. Creator of the Year and Show of the Year are the two categories voted on by the audience. It's not based on sub growth or views, it's based on votes. If you look at Tana Mongeau's tweets where she announced she was a nominee, Tana had the most engagement with online voters. She heavily promoted her nomination, way more than MrBeast did. Retweets and standalone tweets and replies counted as votes for the category. MrBeast, despite all the good he does, just didn't have a lot of fan support compared to Mongeau. Tana had 2,000 retweets on both of her tweets. MrBeast got 100. 100 retweets, guys. It's pretty messed up, I'm not gonna lie. This guy gives away millions every year and his fans only retweeted him 100 times. The same fans that are pissed off that he didn't win. It's literally free, it takes no time at all to retweet. But Tana was also out here promoting the crap out of her nomination. MrBeast wasn't really as concerned with it. How do you feel about MrBeast losing Creator of the Year to Tana Mongeau? Let me know down in the comments. For now, I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comment features. Brian Cano said, I love you, girl. You inspire me to become a news communicator. Well, good luck with that one. It's a fun job. Most of the time. Chris Paul said, I love the channel, keep it up. I will keep it up. Thank you, Chris Pauls. MyTube77 said, your hairstyle bothers me. Oh, okay. So I was just wondering, is it cold up there? On your high horse? Like, subscribe, see you in the next video. What's great? You're watching InformOverload. On this channel, we do the news and we make it entertaining. Subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. I'm Charlotte. Did I say that? I'm Charlotte.
I just forgot to write an intro.
Oopsie. Oopsie. Editor, show the GIF in the script, please. I'm sweaty. Really big gap. A really big gap in the script. It's a really big gap. Keemstar of Drama Alert being one of them. You does hell. There's a really big gap in my script. There's a really big gap.